Hey, it's Spence from launchflows.com. In this video, I want to demonstrate our new toggle feature for WooCommerce coupons. In a modern checkout, many people want to display the coupon without needing it to be toggled open. This makes it more obvious for people who are coming as buyers that they need to redeem something in order to get the product. This most often happens, for example, in our free pattern library, where we've given you a functional, ready-to-use version of our own AppSumo deal. This is obvious that you need to apply the redemption code in order to get the product into the cart. It's easy with LaunchFlows. We've got a coupon component called LaunchFlows WC Coupon. It's existed for many generations now of the product. We've recently added a new parameter, closed equals no. Watch what happens when I remove the parameter. If I refresh our checkout page, we go back to the style of having a toggled coupon area. Still works as normal. So it's as simple as that. If you want to have the open, just add the parameter that says closed, no, update, refresh the page, and you're good to go. Even easier, if you want to just go ahead and get instant satisfaction, use one of our one-click checkout models or use one of our free pattern library components. Here, for example, in the pattern library, click the pattern code, paste it into your own page, and you've got exactly what you need ready to go. This is Spence. We'll see you in the next video.